Good day, learners. Welcome to our science class. In today's topic, we will determine the number of protons, neutrons, and electrons in a particular atom. Let's start. As we discussed in the previous lesson, an atom is composed of three subatomic particles, namely electron, proton, and neutron. The atomic number of an atom, denoted by the capital Z, is the total number of protons in an atom. For example, a helium atom has an atomic number of 2. This means that the number of protons in a helium atom is 2. Based on the periodic table of elements, we can observe that no two elements have the same atomic number. The atomic mass, denoted by the capital letter A, is the sum of the total number of protons and neutrons in an atom. The atomic number and mass number can be written as shown in the figure. In a neutral atom, the number of electrons is equal to the number of protons. Let us take for example an oxygen atom. To identify the number of electrons in an oxygen atom, we need to know the number of protons. Oxygen has an atomic number of 8, therefore, the number of protons is also 8. Since the number of electrons is equal to the number of protons, the number of electrons is also 8. The number of neutrons in an atom is equal to the difference between the mass number and the atomic number. An oxygen atom has a mass number of 16 and an atomic number of 8. To get the number of neutrons, the atomic number is subtracted from the mass number. Therefore, the number of neutrons in an oxygen atom is 8. There are also cases when atoms contain electrical charges because they can gain or lose electrons, but the number of protons remains the same. When an atom loses an electron, it becomes positively charged. On the other hand, if it gains electrons, it becomes negatively charged. Atoms with electrical charges are called ions. The positively charged are called cations, while the negatively charged are called an anion. The atomic number and mass number of an ion remains the same because the number of protons and electrons are unaffected. For an ion, the number of electrons is equal to the difference between the atomic number and the charge. For example, a sodium ion has a charge of positive 1. The number of electrons is equal to the number of protons minus 1. On the other hand, a sulfide ion has a charge of negative 2. The number of electrons is equal to the atomic number plus the charge. The number of neutrons in an atom can also change. Atoms having the same atomic number, but different mass number are called isotopes. The difference in mass number is due to the different number of neutrons. Some examples of this are the isotopes of hydrogen, namely protium, deuterium, and tritium. All of them having the same atomic number, which is 1, but they have different mass numbers. Here is the summary of the subatomic particles of an atom and how to determine each particle. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and the notification bell to be updated in the upcoming videos. For the next video, we will discuss the history and development of periodic table. See you in the next video.